Hello guys, we are in the middle of this river. Looking that side to other side of the river by boating. See our friend there. Enjoy. Oh, it's so deep I think inside. It is a long journey from the roadside. You have to go down. There is a step here. And I have to carry this bag. It's so heavy. Before I used to come here. I used to come here many times, but now it's been 1 year I never came here. So this year the first time again to go to Rilang. We'll do boating. You have to go to that side of the river. That one side of the river is Rilang River. The Rilang River is very clean and very crystal, and we will go there. Then before being there, we have to cross this big river. To cross that big river, and we don't know. Let's see how can we cross it. Have to cross by boat, but if there's no boat, then we have to go back. Have to go that side. From that side also. Before the stair was so small and very steep here. Now they are repairing. I have to collect all things for them. These girls, so they are just walking like this. They want to be free. And then this another girl, she's also busy in blocking. She's a blocker, guys. Take this is guys, the boat are coming. 2 boats are coming toward us. They're coming toward us. Bye. Hello guys, we are in the middle of this river. Looking that side to other side of the river by boating. See my friend there. Enjoy. Oh, it's so deep I think inside. Wait, I will show you the bridge. Okay, Ranikor bridge. Ranikor bridge. See, this is Ranikor River, and we'll go that side.
It's near on the north, it's not far.
The water is dirty. See, I don't want to expose all those dirtiness of my river. This is some. Sibit pat adik lah, boy. Sibit. At night. We finally reach at the side, and then we have to go more to that river.
More to we have to travel by walk.
By walk on.
And then we need to cross
now,
the water also.
Before there was so many people here that are fishing.
Yeah.
Now this fishing season is over. I think less people
because water
are here.
Less.
Water also less. Water also getting dirty.
Yeah. So
no more fishes. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe, then you will get support.
Please
I will produce more videos.
Support.
Share, like, support. Okay, then by now we stop here, and then I'll show you till we reach our destination. This so rich.
Actually, we can go this side, kid. But this lady is this girl. And the leg of this girl is take us this way. This map.
Finally, we reach our destination. See, this is the Rilang junction of the Rilang with Khasi, and this side is Rilang. This side is Rilang, and that side is Khasi. Khasi is quite dirty, and Rilang is so clean and crystal. There is a Rilang Rainbow Bridge. Rainbow Bridge. Rilang Rainbow Bridge. As soon as we reached, we start eating. We were feeling so hungry. We brought the food from home and it's time only to eat our food. The food was good and tasty. We have so many items. We enjoy our food now. We are ready to eat the food and the food are ready in my plate. And this is a dry fish. This is a chicken pura cooked in Karo style. And then this is fish. This is fish kappa cooked in Karo style. And this is chicken tela. And this is nakam. And this is chana. So now I will eat the food. This is Rilang River. The water is clear and clean. And this is a place where the Rilang and the Kynshi River meets together. The Rilang River is clean and the Kynshi River is not that clean like Rilang. This place has a lot of fishes. Especially if we come during night time, we can catch it easily, like the kasnat we call Khasi, and some fishes like kayong, kabia, and so many fishes we can find here. One thing I want to say is that this place has a great potential for tourism. If the community starts an initiative for promoting tourism, it will be a better for the economy of this region. This place, according to me, it offers a good activities like kayaking, boating, even camping. As you can see, the water is so big and it's good for kayaking, and it also has a great space and area for camping during night time. There are some kids, they are coming from the village. That is the Rilang village. Just now I met these kids and I asked them what I doing here, and they said that they're coming from far away from this village. It's like lots of village. They're coming from that mountain there just for collecting fish during night time. And they are coming with their parents. Their father are there. I will show you their tent. They are making tents for sheltering during night time. That tent they are making, see. It happens to everywhere in village life. They used to come and stay near the river bank and they collect fishes during night time and go for fishing. Even me also, before I used to go for fishing, but now not anymore. Now I don't have time, so I don't want also. Now I'm tired of going. Especially night time, it's very tired to go walking night time. So now that the sky is getting dark, we have to go. I think have to pack all our things and we'll go back to our own place. We are done with food and we didn't enjoy it much because we came late here. So maybe next time. Now my friends are waiting there. There they are waiting for me, and we'll go. Bye bye guys.